this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. I am going to be doing a pumpkin challenge today. I just got back from the Dollar Tree and I happened to pick up these cute little pumpkins right here, and they're just some really thin pieces of wood, and you can kind of use your own creativity to decide your color choices and so forth. But I thought it would be really neat to paint these up, and I bought two of these and I got one of these, but I'm going to take and break these apart, and once I get them apart I think I'm going to make a set like this right here. Okay, this is what I purchased, and what I did was I went and I popped this off, and you want to be really careful because this wood does splinter when you pull it apart, because you can see I'm going to use this other side, but you can see where it kind of splintered off because it's really thin, so be careful when you're disassembling it. But I'm going to use those two. I think I'm going to use this one with that piece there, and I'm going to make some stripes. I'm going to spray paint this white and put some tape across it, and then in that tape I'm going to make navy blue stripes. Yeah, I've got that spray painted, and I had to use a smoky beige instead of white. I didn't have any white paint, so we're going to swap it out to a smoky beige. So I've got that spray paint. I'm going to let it dry. Now I'm going to go get some tape once it dries and tape off where I want the navy blue stripes to be. I'll be using some midnight blue spray paint and some tape here. I'm going to take the tape and start taping off where I want some stripes at on this. And that's what she looks like taped. And just remember, everywhere you taped is actually going to be the beige color, and when you spray paint it's going to be the blue color. Okay, I've sprayed it all over there, and we're going to let it dry, and then we'll peel the tape off, and hopefully we'll have perfect stripes. I pulled my tape off, and this is what she looks like now. And I happened to pick a package of these up from Walmart. I also saw these in Michael's, and I'm going to be gluing this right across there. I took this pumpkin and I just painted it with some khaki paint, and then I had these left over from one of my arrangements. I'm going to hot glue these on here, and we're going to get it all together. Okay, here is my final product, and as you can see on that bottom pumpkin, I went back and I added a little bit of dark brown to it to kind of give it a little bit more depth. These little crafts are really great for classrooms, or if you're doing little church projects, or if you have a group of people together, and just put out all kind of little embellishments and some those water-based paints, and they're only like $1 a piece for the pumpkins, and then the other one, and then you can have something this beautiful just to decorate for autumn.